Hey everyone, Instagram's latest update actually notifies people if you take a screenshot of their direct messages. So I wanted to show you that so you're informed, so you don't accidentally take a screenshot of someone because they will be notified. This is new as of January of 2019. Let me show you what happens. So under direct messages, I'm going to go ahead and just take a picture and then I'm going to send this to someone. I'll just use another one of my accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. So now I'm going to go to that account and take a screenshot. So here's the photo I got. So if I take a screenshot of this, I just took a screenshot of the photo that I got under the DM. Now I'll jump back to that account that sent this image to me to see what it says. So now on the other account, since I took a screenshot, as you see on the bottom, it says seen and it has that little shutter graphic. That means the other account took a screenshot. So when you send a photo to someone like this, and then you'll see this icon next to it, that means they took a screenshot of your image. They're basically gonna get a message that says screenshot 2 minutes ago, as you could see here. So make sure when you take a screenshot of someone sending you an image that you're okay with them being notified. There is no way around this at the time of this recording. If I find a solution to do this without getting the seen icon, I will make an updated video for you. I hope this saves you a little bit of embarrassment from taking a screenshot and you don't want the other person to know that you did. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I post daily social media videos on this channel and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching.